plant kingdom. Terms, examples, cryptogamy or cryptogamous or cryptogams, Thallophyta or algae, Bryophyta that is bryophytes, and Pteridophyta that is pteridophytes, Phanerogamy or phanerogamous or phanerogams, Gymnospermy that is gymnosperms, Angiospermae that is angiosperms, Atrachophytes that is non-vascular plants, algae, bryophytes, Tracheophytes that is vascular plants, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Terms, examples, non-cormophytes that is root, leaf, stem absent, algae, bryophytes, cormophytes that is root, leaf, stem present, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, non-spermatophytes that is seedless plants, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, spermatophytes that is seed bearing plants, gymnosperms, angiosperms, thallophytes, undifferentiated thallus like plants, bacteria, fungi, algae. Terms, examples, anthuridial plants that is anthuridium present, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, non-anthuridial plants that is anthuridium absent, gymnosperms, angiosperms, archegoniate plants, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, algae have oogonium, non-archegoniate plants, algae, angiosperms. Terms, examples, non-jacketed sex organs, algae, jacketed sex organs, bryophytes, pteridophytes, fruitless phanerogams, gymnosperms, non-vascular cryptogams, algae, bryophytes, vascular cryptogams, pteridophytes. Terms, examples, non-embryophytes that is embryo formation absent, thallophytes that is algae, embryophytes that is embryo formation present, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, haploid gametophyte plants, algae, bryophytes, diploid sporophyte plants, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms, naked seed, ovary absent, gymnosperms, enclosed seed, ovary present, angiosperms. Terms, examples, seedless, fruitless, flowerless plants, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, plants having seed, fruit, flowers, angiosperms. Note, in gymnosperms, seed is present, fruit is absent, and primitive flower structure may found in higher gymnosperms. Motile flagellated male gametes, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, except higher gymnosperms. Non-motile, non-flagellated male gametes, angiosperms. Algae. Terms, examples, isogamous, Chlamydomonas dibarianum, Spirogyra, Ectocarpus, Cladophora, Eurothrix, most of Chlamydomonas species. Anisogamous, Chlamydomonas brownie, Eudorina. Oogamous, Chlamydomonas coccifera, Volvox, Cara, Fucus, Sargassum, Polysiphonia. Flagellated gametes and similar in size, Chlamydomonas bibarianum. Non-flagellated gametes, similar size, Spirogyra. Algae. Terms, examples, complete evolution of sexual reproduction, Chlamydomonas, biflagellated isogametes, Cladophora, motile colonial green algae that is Cenobium algae, Eudorina, Volvox, multicellular and jacketed sex organs, Cara, globule that is male, and nucule, that is female, Cara. Algae terms examples: scalariform or lateral conjugation, Spirogyra; thick-walled zygospores, Spirogyra; motile unicellular green algae, Chlamydomonas; non-motile unicellular green algae, Chlorella; largest or longest unicellular green alga or plant, Acetobularia. Algae terms examples: colony with fixed number of cells, that is Cenobium; motile colony, Volvox; multicellular filamentous green algae, Ulothrix spirogyra; multicellular thyroid or parenchymatous green alga, Alva; pyrenoids in chloroplast, green algae. Algae terms examples: chlorophyceae, that is green algae, Cara, Chlamydomonas, Chlorella, Ulothrix, Spirogyra, Volvox, Eudorina, Alva, Cladophora, Cephalurose, Acetobularia. Kelps, that is large profusely branched brown algae, Sargassum, Nereocystis, Macrocystis. Largest brown alga, Macrocystis, 50 to 100 meter. Simple branched and filamentous brown alga, Ectocarpus. Algae terms examples: phycocolloids or hydrocolloids in brown algae, non-sulfated algin, that is alginic acid, fucoidin, fusin; pyriform, that is pear-shaped male gametes with two lateral flagella, brown algae; leafy brown algae having holdfast, stipe and frond, laminaria; diplohaplontic life cycle in brown algae, Ectocarpus; kelps; diplontic life cycle in brown algae, Fucus. Algae terms examples: diploid sporophyte brown algae, Ectocarpus, laminaria, Fucus, dictyota. Most of the brown algae are sporophyte. Phaeophyceae brown algae, Sargassum, laminaria, dictyota, Ectocarpus, Fucus, Nereocystis, Macrocystis. Unicellular red alga, Porphyridium. Algae terms examples: most advanced algae, ancestors of higher plants, green algae; ancient primitive algae, red algae; phycocolloids or hydrocolloids in red algae, sulfated agar-agar, carrageenan, fumarate. Both male and female gametes are non-motile, non-flagellated red algae. Complex post-fertilization development, red algae. Algae terms examples: Rhodophyceae, that is red algae; Porphyra, Polysiphonia, Gracilaria, Gelidium, Batrachospermum, Chondrus crispus. Freshwater, that is river, filamentous red alga, Batrachospermum. Zygotic meiosis, majority of the alga. Haplodiplontic life cycle in red algae, Polysiphonia. Colorless red alga, Herbaceae. Algae terms examples: discoid chloroplast, Cara; cup-shaped chloroplast, Chlamydomonas; girdle-shaped chloroplast, Ulothrix; spiral or ribbon-shaped chloroplast, Spirogyra; reticulate chloroplast, Oedogonium; stellate or star-shaped chloroplast, Zygnema; plate-like chloroplast, Frixilla. Algae terms examples: chlorophyceae, green algae; char, ullu, chale, volvo, se; char, cara, ullu, Ulothrix, chale, Chlamydomonas, Chlorella, volvo, volvox, se, Spirogyra. Phaeophyceae brown algae, Sarla, सरला DEF डेफ हो गई, सरला डेफ हो गई। सर सार्गासम, ला लैमिनारिया, डी डिप्यूटा, ई एक्टोकार्पस, एफ फ्यूकस हो गई। नो मीनिंग। रोडोफाइसी रेडलगी, पोपो रोड से घर गेली, पो पोरफायरा, पो पॉलीसाइफोनिया, रोड से रोडोफाइसी, घर ग्रेसिलेरिया, गेली जेलिडिया। ब्रायोफाइटा। टर्म्स एग्जाम्पल्स, amphibians of plant kingdoms, bryophytes, amphibians of non-vascular cryptogams, bryophytes, foliose or leafy bryophytes, mosses, indirect spore germination, mosses, protonema stage, mosses, bryophyta. Terms examples, Anthoceropsida, that is hornworts, Notothylus, Anthoceros, Hepaticopsida, that is liverworts, Po, Peaker, Ricksha, May, Mur, Gai. Po for Porella, P for Pelia, Ricksha for Rixia, May has no meaning, Mur for Markansia, Gai has no meaning. Bryopsida or Masai, that is mosses, पो फुस्फा के साथ भाग गई। पो मीन्स पॉलीट्राइकम, फू मीन्स फ्यूनेरिया, स्फा मीन्स स्फैगुनम। भाग गई, जाने वाले को कौन रोक सकता है? गई। ब्रायोफाइटा। टर्म्स एग्जाम्पल्स, मोनोइसियस, रिक्सिया, डायोइसियस, मार्केंसिया, liver shaped hepaticopsida, markansia, flat hepaticopsida, rixia. True elaters in sporophyte, hepaticopsida, that is liverworts like markansia. False or pseudo elaters in sporophyte, Anthoceropsida, that is hornworts. Peristome teeth in sporophyte, Bryopsida, that is mosses. Pteridophyta. Terms examples, homosporous pteridophytes having monoecious gametophyte, that is Prothallus, DEAL, deal. B Diopteris, E equisetum, A radiantum, L lycopodium. Heterosporous pteridophytes having dioecious gametophyte, that is Prothallus, SAMSI, SAMSI, S Selaginella, A Azolla, M Marsilia, S Salvinia, I Isoids. Microphylls, that is small leaves, Selaginella, Silopsida, Lycopsida. Macrophylls or megaphylls, that is large leaves, Pteropsida, that is ferns like Salvinia, Marsilia, Dryopteris, etc. Pteridophyta. Terms examples, Silopsida, Silotum, Lycopsida, Lycopodium selaginella, Sphenopsida, that is horse tails, Equisetum, Pteropsida, that is ferns, Dryopteris, Pteris, Azolla, Adiantum, Salvinia, Marsilia, Peridium. Biflagellated antherozoids, Lycopodium, Selaginella. Multiflagellated antherozoids, Equisetum, ferns. Pteridophyta. Terms examples, cones or scrobili, Selaginella, Equisetum. Aquatic ferns, Salvinia, Marsilia, Azolla. Xerophytes, Selaginella, Adiantum. Largest pteridophyte, that is tree fern, Alsophila. Smallest pteridophyte, Azolla. Pteridophyta. Terms examples, amphibians of vascular cryptogams, pteridophytes. Protospili, Rhinia, Lycopodium, Silotum. Siphonospili, Osmunda, Equisetum, Adiantum, Marsilia. Botanical snakes, pteridophytes. Pteridophyta. Terms, examples: Eusporangiate, sporangia, Selaginella, equisetum, Lycopodium. Leptosporangiate, sporangia, Salvinia, azola. Actinostele, Coleotum, Lycopodium, serratum. Plectostele, Lycopodium clavatum. Mixed stele, Lycopodium cernum. Ectofloic, Osmunda equisetum. Amphiploic, Marsilia rhizome, adiantum. Gymnosperms. Terms, examples: Mycorrhiza association in roots, Pinus. Nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria in coralloid roots, Cycas. Unbranched stem, Cycas. Branched stem, Pinus. Cedrus. Needle-like leaves and sunken stomata, Conifers. Gymnosperms. Terms, examples: Xylem lacks vessels and phloem lacks sieve tubes and companion cells. Gymnosperms. Vessels are present in xylem, Netum, Ephedra, Welwitschia. Shrubby gymnosperm, Ephedra. Liana or woody climbers, Netum ula. Mature male gametophyte. In Cycas, 5 cells. In Pinus, 6 cells. Gymnosperms. Terms, examples: Siphonogama, that is siphonogamy, both gymnosperms and angiosperms. Fan-shaped leaves, Ginkgo biloba. Monoecious, Pinus. Dioecious, Cycas. Smallest gymnosperm, Jamia pygmea. Largest gymnosperm, Sequoia sempervirens. Gymnosperms. Terms, examples: Living fossils, Cycas, Ginkgo, Metasequoia. Oldest living fossil and connecting link between cycads and conifers, Ginkgo biloba. Largest ovule, Cycas revoluta. Largest male cone, Cycas circinalis. Largest male gamete, that is sperm, and female gamete, that is egg, Cycas. Gymnosperms. Terms, examples: Female lax, Cycas. Sulfur shower, conifers like Pinus. Tall tree, fan-shaped bi-lobed leaves. Dwarf and long shoot, Dioecious. Large-sized orange-colored seed, Ginkgo biloba. Nearer to flowering plants, flower-like arrangement of sporophylls, heterozygous wood. Order Netales, that is Netum, Ephedra, Welwitschia. Gymnosperms. Terms, examples: Order Cycadales, Cycas. Order Ginguales, Ginkgo biloba. Order Coniferales, that is conifers, Pinus, Cedrus, Taxus, Araucaria, Sequoia, Metasequoia. Order Netales, Netum, Ephedra, Welwitschia. Archegoniate member of Netales, Ephedra. Terms, examples: Last plants group having Anthuridia, pteridophyte. Last plants group having Archegonia, gymnosperm. Well-developed gametophyte, moss. Very reduced gametophyte, angiosperm. Well-developed sporophyte, angiosperm. Very reduced sporophyte, Thallophyta. Only single cell zygote. Terms, examples: Pteridophytes showing precursor of seed habit, Selaginella, azola, Marsilia, Salvinia. Heterosporous pteridophytes. Winged pollen grains and seeds, Pinus. Zooidogamy and zooidogamous plants, Thallophyta, that is algae, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Siphonogamous plants, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm. Angiosperms. Terms, examples: tiny, microscopic, smallest angiosperm, Wolffia. Tallest angiosperm, Eucalyptus. Dicots with two cotyledons in seed, pea, rose, eucalyptus, mustard, cotton, acacia, sunflower. Monocots with single cotyledon in seed, banana, cereals, palms, grass, bamboo, orchids. One ovule per ovary, wheat, mango. Many ovules per ovary, papaya, watermelon. Terms, examples. Haplontic life cycle, Spirogyra volvox, some species of Chlamydomonas, Ulothrix, Cara, and other Chlorophyceae. Diplontic life cycle, Gymnosperms, Angiosperms. Fucus, Sargassum, Laminaria, they are brown algae. Haplodiplontic life cycle, Bryophyte, Pteridophytes. Algae like Ectocarpus, Kelps, Polysiphonia.